Hello and welcome to the 4Q channel. Today we're going to do something really simple. It's going to be quick. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn this drumstick into a thigh fillet. So it's quick, it's simple. First of all, you'll need a very sharp knife. The sharper the knife is, the better it is to get through to the bone. So first things first, watch your fingers. Is we're going to just cut a slit right into the drumstick, and then you'll see the bone start to appear. Now with the tip of the knife, that's all I'm using is the tip, I'm separating the bone away. I'm separating the chicken away from the bone, sorry. Okay, once you've got that, then take the point of your knife and just cut into the board, and that will free the drumstick away from the bone, the chicken meat away from the bone. Okay, then with the tip of your knife, just start pushing back the chicken meat, and there you should be left with just the bone. So the bone we removed. Then when we're looking at the drumstick with the opening, you'll see there's a few of these little white nervy bits, and with them you can just remove them with the tip of your knife. You can also use a little pair of scissors as well if you want. Okay. And there you have it, and turn around, you've got your skin, have the skin there like that, so it looks like a thigh fillet. It's just a cheaper option to use. Thigh fillets at the moment are a little bit more expensive, and this meat is the chicken. Best part of the chicken is the drumstick and the thigh fillet. It's referred to as the dark meat of the chicken, and it's easy to cook and it'll always stay moist. Okay, well, if you like that, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.